Hi Paul, this is Lee from Otters SEO. This is the custom video that we promised to send to you. This is a free custom video dedicated for your business, how you can actually expand your online presence and also get some more customers. So we couldn't find your website, unfortunately, if you have one. So what I did is I created the video around what your competitors are doing, and hopefully I want to give you an idea of what you could be doing. So looking at one of your big competitors in Rotterdam is the Swart Loodgieters. And the first thing I want to go over is website content. Looking at their website at the moment, you'll see they've got very little content on the first page. So Google recommends that you have between 1,500 and 2,000 words of content on your home page. And by them having only about 200-300 words, easily beatable to get the Google rankings. So Google needs that kind of data because when it crawls the different websites, then it's of course searching for specific keywords that they can use to rank your website against specific search terms. And if there's not enough content, then it can't do its job properly. So have enough content, and I think you can actually beat your competition in this regard. The second thing I want to do is go to Google itself. If I put in plumber in Rotterdam, the first thing that you see is a bunch of Google ads that come up. And these are paid for ads that these people are actually paying for to have their links right on top of Google. And it's also relevant to the search term that you've typed in. It brings in some quick traffic, which is nice, but you do pay for it, of course, for every click. So it is expensive over long term. The second part I want to go over is the Google Map listings. It's also nice to be on here because, as you can see, it's quite visible. You can easily see your contact number and also your website. So easily for potential customers to actually find you. Now, how do you get on this Google Map listing? And that's all about increasing your number of citations. All that a citation is a combination of your name, your address, your contact details, and your website. The more places have these citations linking to you, the higher you will be ranked in this Google Map listing. So these places you can think of as like directories, like Yellow Pages and the like. So increasing the number of those directories that point to have your citations will of course put you in the top 3 rankings. The third part I want to go through is around the organic search results. And this is for me very important because this is what Google sees as relevant to the search term that's typed in. And interesting statistics are that 30% of people actually click on the first link, 15% of people click on the second link, and 10% people click on the third link. Less than 9% of people actually click on the second page and beyond. So very, very important for your website to be listed in the top 3 of Google search results. And that's because that's when you'll get all the potential traffic going to your website and people will be able to find you. So how do you get into these high ranking positions? We use a tool called Ahrefs. And what this tool allows us to do is put in a website like your competitor's website over here, and what it does, it spits out a bunch of numbers that Google sees for that website. The first number here is the UR, that's a trust rating. You'll see that this is basically 0, there's no data for it. The DR is the strength rating, which is 0.1, which means it's a very low power website. And this is quite shocking to me actually because this is number 2 on the Google rankings. So extremely easy to beat this website if you put your website up correctly. Now to get to the top of the Google search results on organic listings, you want to increase your number of backlinks and your referring domains. So all that a backlink is basically a shout out from one website to yours. It's like a link to your website. So the more backlinks you have and also the better quality backlinks you have, the higher you will be ranked on the Google search results. Now, once again, these are very low numbers, so I'm quite surprised that it's also very, very easy to beat these guys if you want to do that. You'll see at the moment they're getting about 13 people per month to their website, which is also on the low side. And if we look at the organic keywords, these are the keywords that Google actually finds when on your website, and they actually put on the Google search results where people are typing in. So what we see here, these are the 8 keywords that Google has found on their website, and one of them is plumber Rotterdam. You'll see there are 80 people per month actually typing in plumber Rotterdam, and your competitors are actually getting most of this traffic to their website. The same thing for emergency plumber, plumber service, and even if you wanted to expand to other areas like plumber Den Haag as well, you see 100 people per month are actually searching that term. So a lot of potential traffic that you could be getting. So to summarize, when creating your website, if you want to do that in the future, make sure that your homepage has between 1,500 and 2,000 words so that Google can actually easily find your keywords and rank you. If you want to get on the Google Map listing, increase your number of citations. And then if you want to be in the top of the organic search results, you want to increase your number of backlinks and referring domains with high quality as well. As I mentioned, this video is free for you to use. You can take these tips and tricks and implement them today, and that would be great. If you want to reach out and find out more information from me and potentially how I could help you to achieve your goals and how to implement this, please feel free to reach out. Either way that you go, I hope for you all the best. All that I ask, if you could please drop me a line of feedback just to let me know if this was helpful or not. I'm trying to help local businesses in the area, and your feedback will be much welcome. Have a great day. Cheers.